Hello, in this video we're going to share some tips on how to assemble this nightstand. But before we get started, here's a few things to keep in mind. Make sure you have a Phillips head screwdriver and a hammer, and just make sure everything's facing the right way as you're putting it together, and you'll do great. So let's get into it. Just a quick disclaimer, these tips don't cover every step, so make sure you follow the instructions and complete all the steps in order. In steps 6 and 7, we're going to attach these pieces here. We have pieces 2, 3, and 5. And for this, we just want to make sure that we have the pieces facing the right way. So with piece 5, we want this groove edge facing up, and then the cam lock holes facing this way. And then when we tip these up, these cam lock holes should face the same way as these rails here. So we'll go ahead and put this in here. And then the same thing on this other side. The rail should be on this side with the cam locks. And we can go ahead and sandwich that together, and then we can go ahead and put in the cam locks. All right, there we go. We can move on. In step 17, we're going to put in the drawer, and we'll go ahead and show you how to do that. So you'll take the drawer and slide it in on the rails. And then we just want to make sure that the hole inside the drawer here passes the dowel that's on the rail. And then we can take the dowels and then stick these in the hole. And then that keeps the drawer from coming out, and we're good to go. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new nightstand. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.